What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this 2018 Lamborghini Performante that was totaled and sold through this insurance auto auction. Along with this car, there are thousands of other cars being sold here, including another Huracan and tons of other nice cars that we're going to stop and take a look at too. These are sick. These cars are just amazing value. These are like you could get for... Oh, this Aston Martin, right, is flooded? It would be one of... This thing actually sounds good.
Oh, okay, you're in there.
Yo, give it more, give it more. So without further ado, let's check out this car, examine it a little bit, look at the damage, and then we're gonna hop on the computer and check out how much it sold for.
Hold on, this is my first time sitting in Lambo. You guys got to sit in Lambo already.
Let me get this. Let me get this. I'll get it for
This is
you.
how I feel though. You got it. There we go.
Yo,
damn, bro, this is what it's gonna feel like one day.
Pop the hood.
How do you even pop the? I don't even know how to pop the hood. Yo, this is lit. Yo, this is so real. I don't care. Listen, I'm being real with y'all. But one day the channel gonna have one. I promise y'all.
If you guys don't know who this is DIY Gang. He was looking for a Dodge Hellcat here to buy to rebuild, and he ended up getting one, and he's working on it right now. But at the same time, he's working on a McLaren project, which is pretty crazy. So you guys could definitely go check those out on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description.
This is so freaking crazy. It's like, this is like a freaking airplane in here. But look at this.
I don't think this one has a key in it, does it?
No, I don't think it does. Like, does it? No, it doesn't.
I mean, it powers up,
but it won't power on. Like,
shoot, yeah, they probably got this one in the office. Here's basically the bulk of the damage. It's into the quarter panel, also hitting the wheel and the bumper cover. So this looks like fairly simple damage to repair. From what we can see, we just need a quarter panel and a wheel possibly with some suspension parts. Now, as we've seen from Goon Squad's videos, underneath the quarter panel, there's not much things that are in the way. It's mostly just empty space. So other than that damage, the car looks like it's in mint condition. All the airbags are intact, and all around it looks like it's brand new. You popped the front?
yeah.
I hear it. Hold on, do it again, do it again.
Probably gotta pull on it because it's probably stuck from the quarter panel.
Ah, it's not coming. It's probably stuck because the quarter panel got hit.
I know this shit is fucking stupid.
Dang, that's small. I'm not even gonna fit in there. I'm not even gonna try.
It's not even,
Now that we've seen the car and everything checks out, let's hop on the computer and see how much it sold for. Now, to see how much it sold for, I'm going to be using a website called autoauctions.io. And now that I'm on here, it didn't take long to realize that this might not be a really good deal because it is being sold by a third-party seller rather than an insurance company. So once we open up the report, we can see that it's been sold for $150,000. Now, this is an insane amount of money, but it's a good deal for this car considering what the car is. This car retails around $300,000 new. Now, considering that Goon Squad is around $120,000 invested in their two Lamborghinis, it may have been a better option just to buy one Lamborghini Performante with minimal damage like that. But they may have other plans that we don't know about. For example, maybe buying another Lamborghini that made it more efficient for them to buy the parts one. But the Performante, I think, would have been an excellent buy. I obviously can't afford it, so I didn't buy it. But I think it's a really good deal, and I really want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. I read every comment. I'm really curious to see what you guys think, if you guys think the same. If not, let me know. I'm trying to see if the key's here, though. I don't think it is. I wish this thing had a key. Let's see. No power. No power in this Lamborghini. Wow, I love these seats. Trying to find the key, maybe. You want me to rev it for you?
Am I the only one who likes these?
I mean, I like how it sounds, but everything else I don't like. Well, the sound, yeah, that's the only thing. Everything else, dude, makes me want to throw up.
Yeah, for real.
This thing actually sounds crazy.
Oh, okay, you're in
Yo, give it more, give it more. Give it more.
One more. That's all I get from this car. The sound is amazing. Gee,
This
yeah.
interior, though, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. It's a little weird, but I kind of like it. Oh, there we go. Let me get the key out. Okay, here we go. Ooh. We started it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna let it warm
rev
up.
on it when it's a cold start. Don't do that.
Yo, check it out. Oh yeah, this thing's full of oil. Corsa motor and GTR. Now, although this GTR looks really nice and it looks like it has barely any damage, using autoauctions.io, I could see that this is actually being sold by a third party who bought it with a much harder hit in the rear, patched it up a little bit, and is trying to resell it for more money. This thing has been sold, as we can see here, over 42 times, but the seller cannot get how much he wants. Now, we see this thing was sold 10 months ago, so if we click the listing, we can now see all this previous damage that is being covered up. So this is another example of how autoauctions.io could save somebody tons of money that they aren't accounting for when they're buying a car, thinking that it's exactly what they see in the images. Autoauctions.io is an extremely useful tool that could prevent you from making a financial mistake, and that's why I use it every time I buy a car or I'm looking to buy a car from a salvage auto auction. The last car we're going to look at is this 2018 Lexus LC500. This car sold for $33,500, but it retails for around $80,000. Another way autoauctions.io is helpful is because we can see the previous winning bid was $28,500 and it sold for $33,500. This is really useful because you can get an idea for what the insurance company is looking to get for the car. That way you can know if it's in your budget or maybe you should keep on looking for something else that's going to sell for cheaper. These are like you could get for 30,000.
Really?
I mean, look at this thing, yeah.
Wait, you can get this for 30K?
30 grand here, yeah.
Get
Well,
the
no,
hell
I'm
out.
not talking clean title. I'm only talking about,
Salvage title, but it's like a super car. Like,
yeah.
man.
This thing's awesome. Whole thing is such an underrated car.
Hey, look at the color, bro, with the red.
Yeah, dude, that's
The
actually
whole
really
interior
freaking
is crazy.
Yeah, that's a pretty clean interior, dude.
Wow. This is nice.
Yeah, this is quality right here. That's definitely quality.
And these just recently came out. Just the detail, everything on this car is just so nice. Like, look at how wide.
Pristine, bro. It's pristine.
And it's a Lexus, so it's super reliable. I've actually bought a few cars from here before, and I'm rebuilding them on my channel. So if you guys want to see some of that stuff, you can definitely go ahead, browse the channel, and see if you like those videos. If you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments. Also, I want to hear your guys' thoughts. What do you guys think about all these cars? I want to hear some feedback. Let me know anything you want to say in the comments. I respond to every comment. And stay tuned for the next video.